Okay guys, today I have a 2015 Volkswagen Jetta and we're gonna reset the little wrench oil light. Now I tried a bunch of different things, hazard switch and all this stuff. That didn't work. So it's real simple. What you wanna do is you wanna hold this button down, put your foot on the brake, hold that button down. So you'll be using your left hand to do this, your left hand. With your right hand, you're gonna turn the key on. As soon as you turn the key on, you're gonna let go of that button, and then you're gonna push this button on this side, and then you're gonna turn the key off. Okay, I'm balancing you on my chest, so I'm trying to see where it works. So push this button here, turn the key on, release it, push this button over here, let it go, turn the key off, pull it out, and start it up. See if the little wrench comes back on, and it does not. Sorry, my light was really bright.